再来看到纽西兰海军有一位乐手，伊自细汉就想要以科学家的身份去拜访南极，大汉了后总算是申请到去南极来协助研究。伊若是认真完成伊逐工的任务，嘛将音乐载去到南极。
佩恩来自澳洲的阿德莱德，遐平均是7度到28度，气候真热而且大热。佩恩自细汉就希望会当成做科学家，而且希望会当以科学家的身份去到南极。不过读册的时阵爱着音乐，所以选择读音乐系。南极的梦想也就放弃啊。真济冬后，佩恩真做是纽西兰海军的乐手。当伊发现纽西兰军队会派人长期伫南极来执勤，协助科学家做代志，佩恩就开始逐冬拢来申請。經過4冬的失敗了後，佩恩總算摕到通信兵的職位。
When I asked about it, I was like, oh, who gets to go? And my recruit instructor was like, oh, actually, anyone from the New Zealand Defence Force can apply because they're called purple plot postings. So you just have to have the right qualifications and you compete for it. And if you get selected, you can go. It doesn't matter what trade. And my eyes lit up and I was like, even a musician? And he's like, heck yeah, why not?
通信兵这项工作其实并无轻松，除了逐礼拜上班6天以外，负责监听无线电、电话、接 email 甲其他的通讯。有当时阁爱甲已经几礼拜拢无甲人讲话科学家来联络。佩恩无真侪时间会当家己摕出来，所以因若有闲就会练习。原本的法国号嘛毋敢查来，敢来当经一寡亲像 trumpet， 也毋过外形煞无啥成的 J horn， 因为伊比法国号还阁较轻，演奏的时阵较袂去伤着镜头啊。
It was designed to be a beginner brass instrument for children, so it was like super compact, super light, plastic, very durable, nowhere near as much maintenance required.
来到南极的纽西兰军队从来毋捌有音乐系也是乐手出身的，所以佩恩真有可能就是第一个。为10月到呾，已经为升降机也是各种活动现场来演奏，毋是放广播的音乐。另外，佩恩也打算伫零下21度的南极举办独奏会，伊也有可能是少数的安尼做的音乐家，因为各国的合作，互伊想起着音乐，会当甲即个世界语言透过音乐会，互大家牵连做伙。公司新闻综合报道。